All right, you're thinning your shots or blading them. So here's what's happening. As you're making your swing, your posture is coming up through impact, you're pulling away, and then you're kind of scooping your arms through there. So what I'm going to do is show you how to use your Saber to really work on solidness of contact. So we're going to start out small. I want you to take your Saber, hold it at the heavy end. Once you've held it at the heavy end, what I want you to do is take a little bit of a forward press. So what the forward press does is it keeps the square side of the Saber square, and all you do is you start to see the black side over here. I don't want you to take the Saber and roll the barrel one way or the other. I want you to simply lean it forward. So the word Saber on top, you should still clearly be able to read. It's on that same plane. Once your wrists are slightly forward, what I want you to do is work on just going halfway back, halfway through, halfway back, halfway through. Now you're using the heavy end, so what that's going to start to do is develop strength and stability. Because one of the reasons why you're thinning it or blading it is because the stability and the strength that you have in your core, your hips, and your lower back isn't quite established. So if you work on this repetitive exercise, the heaviness of the Saber is just heavy enough to start all those small muscles firing. It's really going to help you to create more strength and stability in that core and lower half. The reason why you're pressing your wrists forward like this is because some of the reasons why people blade it or thin it is because they go ahead and scoop through. You're developing strength in your left arm and your left wrist when you set that Saber slightly forward. You can do it one-handed like this as well if you want a greater challenge. So start out small, doing these halfway back, halfway throughs. It's going to help you with your short game immensely, and then it will also help you strike it more consistently when you work into your full swing.